Tummy time is not optional. It's critical for your baby's brain and body development. And if you get it wrong, it could lead to delays in crawling, sitting, and even walking. Every parent thinks tummy time is just a fun activity. But here's the truth. Babies who don't get enough tummy time or do it incorrectly are at the risk of weak muscles, poor posture, and developmental delays. Some even develop flat head syndrome or struggle with coordination later in life. But most parents unknowingly make the same mistakes, and by that time they realize it's too late. I've spent 10 years teaching infants, working with thousands of babies, and I've read hundreds of research papers and child development books to understand what actually works. In this video, I've distilled all the knowledge into simple, step-by-step framework that will make tummy time easy, fun, and incredibly effective. Today, you're going to learn number 1, a secret trick that makes baby love tummy time instantly. Number 2, a simple hack that doubles the time your baby stays on their tummy. Number 3, one mistake that could make tummy time a nightmare. And number 4, and the most important step at the end, skip it and none of this will work. Skip this video if you don't care about your baby's development, but I know you do, so stay with me because this could change everything. Tip 1. The tummy time positioning hack. Most parents place their baby on the floor and expect them to magically enjoy tummy time. That's a big mistake. Newborns have a built-in motor reflex, which makes them feel like they're falling when placed on their tummy too suddenly. This triggers fear and discomfort, making them hate tummy time before it even starts. Instead, start tummy time on your chest first. Lie back slightly and let your baby rest on you. Why does this work? It's because your baby feels safe and connected when they're close to you. Once they're comfortable, slowly transition them to a tummy time mat. Think of it like getting into a cold pool. If you jump in all at once, it's shocking. But if you step in slowly, your body adjusts. Babies work the same way. Try this today and let me know in the comments if your baby lasted longer on their tummy. I promise you'll see a difference. Tip 2. The high contrast trick. Have you ever noticed how babies seem bored and fuzzy during tummy time? That's because they can't see what's in front of them. Newborns have blurry vision and can only see high contrast colors like black and white. Studies show that using black and white patterns can increase a baby's engagement by up to 80%. Place a high contrast visual in front of them, a black and white book, a patterned toy, or even a checkerboard print on your phone. I told one of my clients to try this, and guess what? Her baby went from 10 seconds of tummy time to 3 minutes just by adding a high contrast toy. I spent hours researching, filming, and sharing these expert back tips with you, all for free. If you found this tip valuable, please hit the like button. It helps me keep making videos like this. Tip 3. The mirror magic trick. What if I told you a single object could make tummy time 10 times more effective, and you probably already have it at home? Place a mirror in front of your baby. Babies are naturally fascinated by faces, and seeing their reflection keeps them engaged longer while also helping them develop social awareness and cognitive skills. A study in developmental science found that babies exposed to mirrors during tummy time had higher neck control and better eye tracking skills. Try this and comment below if your baby reacted to the reflection. I'll reply to every comment within 24 hours. Tip 4. The tummy time song hack. Some babies scream the second you put them on their tummy. It's frustrating, but what if I told you there's a simple brain trick that can make them love it? Babies respond to predictability. If they hear a familiar sound before tummy time, their brain prepares for it. Create a tummy time song. Sing a short, simple tune every time before tummy time. I worked with a mom whose baby hated tummy time. I told her to sing the same short song before every session. Within a week, her baby stopped fussing and even started smiling during tummy time. Don't believe me? Try it for yourself and let me know what happens. Tip 5: the baby airplane hack, the most important one. The final tip is the most powerful of all. If you skip this, everything else might fail. Instead of placing your baby on the floor, hold them belly down on your forearm and gently move them through the air like an airplane. Pediatric studies show that elevated tummy time builds stronger core muscles and improves balance. Know a parent who struggles with tummy time? Share this video with them. It could make a huge difference. Did you know that one mistake parents make at bedtime can negatively affect their baby's IQ, emotional health, and future sleep habits? What if I told you a simple nighttime habit could improve your baby's brain development? The answer is in my next video. 5 bedtime tips every parent needs. Click here to watch it now before it's too late. And remember, you've got this and I've got your back.